Good afternoon. Today I am going to talk about the human urinary system. The nitrogenous byproducts that are produced in cells are removed as urine. The urinary system, which performs the process, is known as the nitrogenous excretory system. Now I am going to talk about the parts of the urinary system. There are four main parts in the urinary system. They are kidneys, ureter, bladder, and urethra. And the other parts are inferior vena cava, renal vein, aorta, and renal artery. Here you can see this is the urinary system. Then I am going to talk about the functions fulfilled by renal artery, renal vein, and ureter. Renal artery supplies blood with oxygen for the functioning of kidneys. Renal vein carries away blood from kidneys, and ureter carries urine which is produced. Next I am going to talk about the kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs. The kidney of an adult is about 13 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. Here you can see this is the structure of human kidney. After that I am going to talk about the internal structure of the human kidney. A kidney consists of two major parts. First one is cortex and the other one is medulla. Within the renal medulla, there are triangular shaped structures called renal pyramids, and the tips of these renal pyramids are directed to the renal pelvis. This is renal pelvis, this is medulla, and this is cortex. Then I am going to explain about the urine production. Blood with nitrogenous byproducts transported by renal arteries is filtered in the kidneys. Excess water, urea and uric acid are removed from the blood and collected in the renal pelvis. These excretory products are carried by the ureter to the bladder and they are temporarily stored in the bladder. The fluid is known as urine. When the bladder is full, it is signaled to remove it. Then it is removed to outside through the urethra. Next I am going to explain about the components of urine. There are four components of urine: water, salts, urea and uric. Water is about 96%, salt is about 2% and urea is also about 2%. Uric is trace amounts. Kidney diseases can be diagnosed according to the color of urine and the percentage. After that, I am going to explain about the diseases related to urinary system. There are three diseases related to urinary system. They are kidney stones, kidney infection and kidney failure. Firstly, I am going to talk about the kidney stones. The disease related to kidney stones is occurrence of stones. The crystalline structures formed by the deposition of salts such as kidney stones may occur due to following reasons: not drinking enough water, taking salty diets regularly, regular delaying of passing urine. Secondly, I am going to talk about the kidney failure. Disorder of the functioning of kidneys due to certain reasons is known as kidney failure. Kidney failure may occur due to following reasons: smoking and consuming alcohol, entering heavy metals and toxic chemicals into the body, suffering from diabetes for a long time, using drugs for a long time period. Thirdly, I am going to explain about the kidney infection. Kidney infection is caused by microorganisms. Kidney infection may occur due to following reasons: insufficient sanitary facilities, not practicing proper personal cleanliness. Finally, I am going to talk about tips to be taken to maintain a healthy urinary system. Drinking enough pure water daily, limit consumption of too much salty and sour food, quit smoking and taking liquor, control some disease conditions such as diabetic condition by controlling blood sugar levels. I will end my explanation from here. Thank you.